Hey, so I'm re-recording my RC car video because I accidentally deleted the original one. So, these are my old RC cars. Uh-oh, it's got an ouchie! Big Bear has an ouchie. Anyway, I have my vintage RC cars here with me today. Again. I have the RC10 Graphite. And this was original. We did not buy this. This is an original car. Whoa. Whoa. And now over here, we have the GRXT. And Big Bear. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, it is Big Bear. So, let's go ahead and get into the cars. So, I'm going to start with the Big Bear. I'll just get the body clips off and off to the side. I'll get the body off and over there. So, like I have mentioned already 3 times, dry rotted wheels, servo saver, dead mechanical speed control, which I'm just calling MSC, front suspension, rear suspension, and a broken bumper. Yes, very interesting. Oh, also, it's got a nice diff. Here, let me just flip it upside down. That thing feels just as smooth as Torment's diff, and Torment is up there, and its diff is pretty good. So let me just flip it back over. Big Bear is a pretty good car. We haven't had the chance to drive it yet. But from what I've heard from my father and my uncle, it's a lot of fun. So, hope to get that running this year. So I'll just move it off to the side. Onto the GRXT. So here is the GRXT, and it is very cool. Yes. So let me go ahead and get the body off. So, yeah. There you go. Body pins are off. Stay. Anyway, here is the GRXT. And as previously mentioned like 3 times, broken shock collar adjusters, missing servo mount, or at least the tape has worn off. Not surprising. ESC that needs replaced, and I have the manual right there. And a not so great diff. And also, suspicious shock. They are sus. Anyway, these ones are good. I've just gotta get the shock collar adjusting things. I've just gotta get those because I have found some on eBay. So, that'll be good to fix at least one thing on these cars, if that's the only thing we fix this year. So I'll just gently move it back there. And now, it's time for the RC10. So, here is the RC10. And I'm not going to remove the body this time. So, it's got shocks that probably need some new oil. It also needs these wires to be fixed because they're unsoldering. Wait, is that even a word? The rear is a little not stiff. I don't think it's stiff enough. Oops. Is that stiff enough? I don't know. And, I think those need either marine grease or, something else, I don't know. Being less tight because there we go. They sound like this. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but I'm going to assume that it is not something we should be okay with. But it's doing pretty good other than that, and I want to get this fixed first. And then that. And then that, because that'll be the most expensive, because we need to replace the wheels, which, ouch, they're expensive. Those wheels are like $87 for all four. That's ding dong expensive. Owie. That's ding dong expensive. So, I kind of want to get into the boxes, but first, I believe that is called the Focus Tablet. It doesn't really say much about the name. Yeah. But this is the temp fit, whatever. It is the temp fit thing. I can't find any new ones because I want to keep these things as vintage as possible. But anyway, let's get into the boxes. So I'll just carefully remove the top of the JRX box. Oh, it's coming down. I can't get it open. Okay, finally, I got it open. So, first thing you'll notice, instructions. Let's start with this. These, I believe, are instructions for the ESC in there. So, oh yeah, it is. We'll just chuck those off to the side. Well, not chuck, I mean gently move. Here is, I believe, I don't know which radio those are, but, actually, I think those are the radio for the JRXT. And yes! We have all three remotes. I mean, radios. Whoops, sorry. And here... Oh, that's not instructions. That's a limited warranty. Here we have a body. It is for the RC10 over there. So this is to turn it into an RC10 ta-ta-tee! Are you serious right now? And yeah, this is a good body. I don't know what car it's supposed to be, but it doesn't have any stickers or any clues on what it is, so, yeah. I also might put it back on because this is not paper thin. That one is. Oh no. I just put that there. And now, here's the JRXT's 2 body. It's a ta-ta-2 body. Oits! Pshee! Anyway, it's also not paper thin. It's actually doing pretty good. I like it. It is doing pretty good. I might turn the JRXT into a 222. Anyway, the rest in there is just this little JRXT sticker and some wheels. Oh yeah. Right. Here is the sticker. This thing is... It looks like an SR5's grill, doesn't it? But that's all in the box, aside from a bunch of wheels. So, I'll put the tablet down, and I'll just gently put the box on the floor, and the bodies and such with it. I'm going to organize these later. Oh, also, I put the temp fit ESC in there. I'll just put that there, too. No! It's time for the thing with the goodies. The RC10 box. Oh, here are the radios. So, something that worries me with this radio, that says JRX2. And that's a JRXT. I'm hoping that it's the right radio. Here is the Big Bear radio. There is the Big Bear radio. It is brown, and I don't know what radio it is. Oh, there's no RC10 remote in there. Anyway, here is the RC10 graphite instructions. Oh, that's just an advertisement. Here are the RC10 graphite instructions, and they are in some good conditions. They're in very good condition, and look at that. That's a nice picture. I'll leave it like this so you can take a picture. I'm not still. So don't know what that is and why there's bite marks. Here are the side covers for the box. You can see that they are $325. They were $325. And let's just put those inside. Oh, I don't know what this is, but I think it's an on-road chassis for the RC10. I think. I don't know if it actually is, but I think. Anyway, what is this? I don't know what this is. Here's a little boxy thing. I'm assuming that's supposed to go on the gearbox. Here is a wing. Oh. It looks a little nicer than the other one that's on. I don't know what that is. Oh wait, I do. That's for the yellow body. Wherever it is. And yeah. Oh yeah, here's some vintage shock oil. It looks like it's 20 weight. Ugh, my hands are greasy. Is this wood? It looks like wood. Anyway, I'll gently put all of that back in there. Gently. And I'll just put the on-road thing there. And put those carefully in. Oh no, that's not gonna fit. There we go, now it's gonna fit. So, oopsies. Again. Hey, what's that for? Oh! Anyway, I'll just close this. Quick release coil spring retainers. We don't care. Or at least most people probably don't. That box is a little bit sad. Anyway, I'll grab that Big Bear box. Here's where all the goodies are. Ooh. I'll just move that to the side, and I'll just move that to the side. What is that? Anyway. Artex Peak Charger. Interesting. Okay! So here are the RC10T wheels, even though they're Team Losi ones. Here are the JRX2 wheels. They are the JRX Tata 2 wheels. Okay. Here's a dude. He is duty. And the box is a little... What is a pin doing in here, anyway? The box is a little dirty. What is this? I don't know what those are because they're in Japanese. Looks like it's time for me to learn Japanese. So I'll just put that... I will not just put that back in there. So here is the RC10 radio. I would take it out and show you, but no. Okay, goodbye.